Hello dear sweet learner, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Now I introduce myself. I am Poppy Mondal, head teacher, Kobriyasbury God Primary School, Nazirpur Priyarspur. I have come to teach you the student of class 4 English subject. Dear students, previous day what you have learned? Can you remember? Okay, you have learned Chagor's week. Now we are going to a new topics. Dear students, let's move. Dear students, all of you welcome. Dear students, look, listen and say. Here can you see a picture? There are many boys and girls. Some are cooking, some are eating, some are running. A dog is sitting. A dog is looking at the cat. A bird is flying. Dear students, say after me, Mita. The boy is running very fast. Salam, the girls are playing. Let's play with them. Again I read. You repeat after me. Mita, the boy is running very fast. Salam, the girls are playing. Let's play with them. Dear students, what are the children doing in the park? ছেলেমেয়েরা কি করছে পার্কে? The man is cooking. A boy and a girl are talking. A boy is walking. A girl and a boy are playing. Girl is speaking. They are playing. The boy is eating food. Dear students, we use the present continuous to talk about things happening now. Understand? Dear students, which verb should be put after he? Can you tell which verb should be put after he? He is, he, she, it. Here are also should be put is after them. Can you tell which verb should be put after I? Okay, you are correct. I am. Dear students, which verb should be put after you? Are. Okay, you are correct. Thank you very much. Dear students, which verb should be put after they? Are. Okay. Dear students, this present continuous form is subject, verb to be. Can you tell verb to be? Am, is, are, present form, past form, was, were. And main verb plus ing. Main verb plus ing. You have to make present continuous tense at first person, then am is are, then main verb plus ing, ing, then object. So make sentence from this table. Okay, I am playing with Minhaj. Thank you very much. You are playing with Minhaj. He, she, it is playing with Minhaj. We are playing with Minhaj. You are playing with Minhaj. They are playing with Minhaj. Dear students, talk about the picture. What is the boy doing? Okay, you are correct. He is running. What is the dog doing? Dog is looking the cat. What is the boy doing? The boy is eating. What is the girl doing? She is cooking. What is the bird doing? Bird is flying. What is the boys doing? Boys are talking. Dear students, now it's your turn. You have to make present continuous tense using the verbs eat, look, eat, cook, look at, fly, stand. Okay, dear students, I hope you can do this. Eating. Some people are eating. The boy is cooking. The dog is looking at the cat. The bird is flying. The boys are standing here. Thank you very much, dear students. Write down on your exercise book. Have you finished? I hope you have finished. Make this sentence on your notebook. Eat. Many people are eating. The boy is cooking. The dog is looking at the cat. The bird is flying. All are present continuous tense. Some people are standing. Friends, open your book at page 34. Page 34. Look at the activity B. We use the present continuous to talk about things happening. I am playing with Minhaj. You are playing with Minhaj. He, she is playing with Minhaj. We are playing with Minhaj. You are playing with Minhaj. They are playing with Minhaj. Dear students, at first these are person. You have to put verb to be. Verb to be is am, is, are. Am, is, are, present form. Past form was, were. I, first person. I am. I am eating. আমি খাচ্ছি. I am eating. You are eating. You are eating. তুমি খাচ্ছ. He, she is eating. We are eating. You are eating. They are eating. Dear students, now I have some questions to you. Which verb should be put after he? Can you tell which verb should be put after he? Here পরে কোন ভার্ব বসবে তোমরা কি বলতে পারবে? Okay, thank you very much. Is which verb should be put after your for you are? Thank you very much. Which verb should be put after they are? Okay, thank you very much. Dear students, which verb should be put after he, she, it? Okay, here we also should be put is after them. এগুলোর পরে আমরা is বসাবো। Okay, dear students, now I will give you some words. Dear students, your homework, write down the verbs. You can see 5 verbs: play, go, run, sleep, swim. Using this verb, you have to make 5 sentences present continuous form. Dear students, note down your exercise book and write down this verb. Using this verb, you have to make 5 sentences using present continuous tense. Students, have you finished? I hope you can finish. Dear students, thank you very much. Dear students, now I am going to end up my session. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye, I wish you a good day. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye, I wish you a good day. Thank you, dear students. Happy learning.